Hello, I'm Dr. Nandita Shah. I'm the founder of Sharan, and at Sharan we heal with food. The healthiest food, nutrients are the spare parts for healing. If we just put high quality nutrients in our body all the time, healing is always the result. So now today I'm going to start with another salad, but this one's cooked. So it's actually a stir fry. And many people love to have noodles. But noodles are made of maida or white rice, and I don't really want to use those. So today I'm going to use bean sprouts, long bean sprouts. And you should get the longest that you can find, and you can actually make your own. Bean sprouts, they grow roots and shoots. The shoots grow only when they see light. So if you keep your bean sprouts in the dark and keep watering them and let them grow, they will grow really long roots that can look exactly like noodles and taste like noodles too. So we're going to do something like that today. I have some vegetables that I'm going to chop for the stir fry, and you can chop them any way that you like. And you can actually use any vegetables you wish. Like if you have broccoli, you can use broccoli, or zucchini, that's fine too, or eggplants, whatever you want, you can use. I'm using different colored peppers because I always like my salads to be colorful like a rainbow. And then I'm putting in some onions as well. And even some spring onions. Although these I'll put in the end. And here's some bok choy. And some green chili. Now this is if you like spicy, or you can just for flavor put big pieces of green chili so that if it's too spicy for you, you can take them out. So now we have all our vegetables, and you can even add a bit of tofu in there. Here's the tofu. And remember that you can use anything that you like. It's all up to you because this is just a stir fry. So I'm going to start by heating the pan, and now I'm going to add all the vegetables, and even the tofu can go later. All the vegetables. And put it at a really high flame so that these I put it in a really high flame so that these vegetables can heat and cook quickly but not overcook. Now I have my vegetables cooking at a high temperature. And as you can see, no oil, no problem. I'm going to add in my bean sprouts now. These are, instead of noodles, and I'm going to add in the tofu. So now you can see these are almost cooked. In fact, they're cooked. And so I'm going to add in a little bit of ginger. I love ginger, so you can add as much as you like. And a little bit of soy sauce. And a few sesame seeds. And then just cook it a little while again. And now we're all done, and we add a little bit of lime juice. And here is our stir fry ready to serve. Not a drop of oil, but delicious anyway. I'm going to take it out in a bowl. So this again is a full, complete meal salad. Lots of vegetables, no grain, a complete meal. So here's our complete meal, stir fry, noodles made from mung beans, and all we miss now are chopsticks. Enjoy your lunch.